Hey everybody, we got Riley here and Brian from Tekkies, and we have a new project. What do we got here?
A PS5 motherboard with a damaged HDMI port.
Let's take a look at that port on here.
You can see they pushed it. They pushed in the cable too far, and it pushed the pins backwards.
Totally pushed it out of the connector altogether. Wow.
There you go.
Interesting. So what is that shiny stuff on the processor there?
Good thing you asked. That is liquid metal. It's that's on top of the main processor right there. That is what Sony uses to cool or transfer the heat from the processor to their heatsink. And you got to be a little careful with this stuff because it is very conductive. It's metal, so you can't let it spill around. And chances are you probably don't have some to replace it. So
do not use thermal paste if you do mess it up.
No, your fan will be very loud, and you're probably going to have your PlayStation 5 crash
relatively quickly.
So, you may want to make sure you don't get any dirt or anything in here, because with liquid metal you can reuse it, and in fact you probably should, because it's not cheap. So, in order to stop debris and other things from getting in there, or stop it from getting over other things, I just find something to cover it while I'm working with the board. That just ensures that I don't drop anything in it.
Okay.
It saves a lot of pain in the long run.
Now, I know we used to have ports for these because they didn't have them available, and we had to run a lot of jumper wires. So what do we have today?
Today, we have actual replacement ports.
Look at that! Finally, they finally released the real ports for them. Finally.
So that's that's what it's supposed to look like.
Oh, yeah, you can definitely tell the difference from where it was before to where it is now. All right, look at the difference. Holy cow! Really pushed back. All right, well let's get into this and let's get this replaced.
All right.
So what are we going to be using today? We're going to be using our hot air station.
Yep.
And we're going to have it set at
all the way up
to 120-500. And then we're going to use our Metcal iron over there with our curved tip. And of course we have our suck all the smoke out of it there. And we have our on top of that we have our desoldering gun to suck out the posts out. Alright, so we got our board all set up right here. And you can see our port right over there. So our first steps is we got to heat this bad boy off. Is there any components or anything you have to worry about that you need to tape off or anything? Like I see a little component right there. We should put some Kapton tape on it.
There's two right there. Yeah, you can.
So because little things blow away and you can't find replacements for those pieces. So that's why I bring it up for you guys' attention. Alright everybody, so now we put the Kapton tape over those two components just for protection so we don't blow those off the board. Color just fell off on its own so that we didn't damage any pads. His components are still on top of the board and flip it over. And all the components are still there around it, which is important. So Riley is adding a little bit of solder on the posts there.
Just to make them easier to melt.
Alright, you guys can see the components right there by the pins. Alright, so we got the posts all cleaned out.
Yep.
Alright, he's going to put a little bit of flex on all pads. And again, be careful of those little components right there. We'll suck all the bad little solder off. Carefully, not to damage the pads and rip them. Just taking his time going over them. Alright, so now I'm just going to push the new port on. And be really careful of that little part over there, so you're just going to put the solder on and kind of spread it evenly across all of them.
Yep.
Drag it across all the pads, and do a little bit easier. Guys, so you can see that the PS5 now has video playing Cyberpunk, so this is an HDMI port. Video, and don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below so you can get the latest news, product reviews, custom build towers that we do, how to repair your gadgets that you have at home, and we look forward to you guys, so hit that notification button down there, and don't forget to check out our store at tekkies.store, our website. And if you guys feel like you don't want to do this repair yourself, what you can do is we offer mail-in service. You can mail your repair to us. You go to tekkies.store, you hit the mail-in tab, and you click on book an appointment, and you can go ahead and fill that out. When you do ship a repair into us, make sure that you put a return shipping label in there. General turnaround time is 24 to 72 hours when it comes to mail-in repairs for game consoles and other devices as well, unless we need a part that we don't have in stock. So we thank you guys for watching. Please check us out. Look forward to the next builds and next videos that we have coming forward. Thanks for watching.